Welcome to today's lesson, which is about subtracting algebraic terms. The goal of today's lesson is that you can subtract terms with decimal and fractional coefficients in algebraic expressions. And just to recap on vocabulary, 5x minus 3 is the expression here, and 5 is the coefficient of x. X is the variable, so 5 is the number multiplied by x, so 5 is the coefficient. And today we're going to work with coefficients that are fractions and decimals. So we can represent subtraction using bar models. Here we are representing x plus negative 0.4x with these bar models. We can see that the bracket here means that this bar model is x, or represents x, and each of the sections within it represents 0.1x. Each one of these is 0.1x. So here we see 0.4x. So if we cut that out from x, we're left with 0.6x. Here's another example where we're subtracting 0.9y from more than 1y, 1.8y. So we've got 1y to here, and a second y would go all the ways over here, and we're subtracting from just 1.8, so that goes to here. And to subtract 0.9y, or to add negative 0.9y, we can cut that off here and we're left with 0.9y. And we can do similar work with fractions. In these bar models we're seeing 5/6 a plus negative 1/3 a, and we need them to be common denominators, so I'm going to make both of them sixths plus negative 2/6 a, and that leaves us with 3/6 a, and an equivalent fraction for 3/6 would be 1/2 a. So when subtracting decimals vertically, line up the decimal points and the corresponding place values. And when subtracting fractions, ensure that you're working with common denominators. So you saw today how to use bar models to subtract terms with decimal and fractional coefficients in algebraic expressions. And that's the end of today's lesson.